What is up, riders, and welcome to a special video. We are going on our third scooter meet and ride out, which is going to be quite awesome.
Today I'm riding the Aprilia SR50 limited edition.
I am going to ride our very famous Biwa 70. I haven't ridden this much, but I'm very excited to be riding this. So these are two rides. We haven't seen this one on the channel. We have seen this one quite a lot on the channel. So it'll be quite awesome. So I think let's suit up and head out. We have arrived with the first two arrive. We've got Mo over there, we've got Bernard, our sweeper. But Mo's on his BWS 100, pretty stock. My 50 made it. It is bogging a little bit. I don't know, it needs some work. But let's wait for some more people to arrive and then we can check out what they're riding. Sweet, so everyone is here, we have a great turnout and I think we are ready to roll out. So I've just briefed everyone and we're gonna head through to the first stop and make sure everyone's okay and then head through. So let's gear up and head out. I just wanted to pop in to say thank you so much for watching. Remember to like the video, subscribe if you already haven't, and let us know in the comments down below if you want to see more riding videos. We also have a second channel which I'm posting the full unedited ride clips, as well as a few bonus behind the scenes clips of Ross and I and a few other guys chasing each other up the mountain. So go over there, check it out, and subscribe if you want. Anyway, back to the video. Alright, we stopped at our first stop. I want to check. I got fuel, because I don't think I have fuel. No, I got like half a tank. I got half a tank to check it. You seen there? Probably half a tank, but I think I want to top it up quickly, and it gives the time for everyone to just gather. A few people lost along the way. We had the stretch bike that I think the air filter is a bit clogged and full of oil, so it's just bogging. But let's just put in some fuel, gather our thoughts, and then head out. This is my solution to carrying fuel with me.
How
That's
much is
premix.
actually
It's about 1.8. It's not bad, but
It's like it's less than half. It's like a third left.
yeah.
How small is your tank?
3 liter.
I put 2 liters in now, I'll be fine for the rest of the day. This is crazy. A little crazy.
I just don't want to get stuck on the
Yeah.
full taps now.
I think that also why I didn't use so much now is because of the traffic.
So everything on this thing is stage 6.
Yeah, it's got to be. This is our solution. If anyone needs, the only problem is it's premix.
That's not going to make any difference.
No,
All I smell is 2 shrinking, nothing else.
okay,
This thing's small.
looking good now.
It's so long. Plus the
That's the Hütner. Your brights and drums, your indicators aren't connected right now.
You did a wall job building this.
I appreciate it, man.
Oh, sure.
I'm glad you could show what it can do. Because and it's lights, eh?
The thing is like,
Well, thanks for ripping it, and thanks for dropping it. I'm chuffed that you want to.
a little scary. We had some cops come past us, but fortunately they didn't pull us over. Other than pulling me over, because other guys were making crap wheeling, and this thing's very noisy, but luckily they went straight past us. Thought they were going to pull all of us over. Went straight past, talked to each other. I think they tried to scare us, but thankfully we're good. Let's check out some of these bikes. These are so awesome, I can't not show you, so let's check them out. So of course we've got the red BWS corner, we've got a PGO, we've got my BWS 50, Nitro, fully modified, BWS, obviously here's all the touring guys. And then of course we have the Aprilia, some big boys are like the Chinese GY6 motors here in South Africa. BWS's, oh, this Aprilia SR50. This is the Minarelli motor, which is quite awesome. So it's nice to see one of those. We've got our trusty PCX. Big boy again, GY6. This is a Kimco, I think. Some Kimco. This thing's quite cool. This looks kind of like a Cygnus. Obviously got the Gixxer 250. We've got the, I think this is a big boy, basically a copy of the Kimco Top Boy 100 or 50. And then another new PCX. And of course another BWS 100. We did lose a few people on the way, but at least a lot of us did make it. Those are some sick looking scooters. I think we had a great turnout. Thank you to every single one of you who did come to this, and every single one of you who wanted to come. I know some of you guys, most of you guys are overseas. It's so awesome to even have such an awesome turnout. So thanks to every single one of you who did pull up. And yeah, we're gonna have some breakfast. It's kind of early, kind of late still, so we're gonna have some breakfast, maybe run some B-roll, and then head out. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. We'll check you in the next one.